Look at this tree. Oh my God, she's on the big part, but she got fruits already. Oh my God, and I just purchased one, my died. Then when I was buying at Home Depot, she died. I'm going to return it. But they got some beautiful stuff here. They got avocado. They even have a star fruits. Look at this. Look at fruits. Look at this mango. She got flowers on her. And this pile over here, what are those one? This pile over here get shark, but they can just clean them out and then they will be good. What are those? Those are sour sop? Let me see. Retreat it. I don't know what are those. Oh, sour sop. Oh my God. Those are sour sop. Those are sour sop. Oh my God, they got big one. You see, if you cover the sour sop, she will be alive. That means they covered theirs. They're not looking good, but they're still alive. I would love my plant it to have a sour sop one day who have fruit. I will buy one to have fruit on her. And then the price, I would not care how much the price costs. I will get it.